Hey, what's going on, guys? Cam here back again for another video for you all today. So today we are just in my bedroom slash office here, and it is a pigsty. So I'm gonna be launching a series today, guys. This is a $0 to $1,000 series. In 5 days I'm gonna try to do it, or less. I'm gonna try to bring it to over $1,000, but I don't know how well this product is gonna do. I just feel I've done a big case study on an item, and I feel like it's gonna bring us a lot of profit, so we're gonna try that out. But with that being said, guys, if you do go on to enjoy this video, drop a like on it. Remember to subscribe with post notifications turned on to get notified when I post the next video, because this is free knowledge and I'm posting every single day a new video to this series. So check it out, stay active with it. And I review stores completely free, and I also give away a store with a free all the apps that I use, as well as 1 hour mentorship with me and a store review. So I basically will just help guide you to success, and just based off the success that I've had, what I would do to increase it some more. So I think it'd be pretty interesting for some people. So if you guys are interested in that, go check that out in the description below. Remember, there's a 14-day trial. You guys can use it. If you guys are just watching this live 7-day challenge because you're starting for free, check that out. 14 days completely free, linked below. But with that being said, guys, let's go ahead and get into this video. So guys, we are here with the new setup. We just finished it here, and we actually found a product that I want to show you guys for this $0 to $1,000 series. It's in 5 days, so I'm not going to show you guys some of the basics, like basics as in like how to design your store. I'm going to show you guys the store and stuff like that, but I'm not actually going to show you guys how to design a store, because it's kind of something that there's so many videos out there for that you guys shouldn't be worrying about watching my video teaching you guys how to do it, because there's literally, it's the exact same way. So now that we're here on the Shopify store, we're going to make a quick collection, and I'm going to call it electronics here, or deals actually. I'm going to call it deals. I'm going to manually select products, and I'm actually going to save that now. What that's going to do for me now is I'm now going to open up my apps here. Oberlo is weird when it comes to the new Oberlo. It doesn't actually open up the proper Oberlo. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to AliExpress. And through AliExpress, we're now going to look up for this one product. It's the iOS Bluetooth headphones. We're gonna press search on there and switch this to orders. And now if you scroll down right here, we have a product that's being sold right now. It's a really popular item. So we're gonna click on it. And we're gonna check to see what the shipping looks like. So it's 19 to 39 business days. We're gonna actually check to see large size single wireless earbud. Okay, so that's what we want. So this is the exact item that we're wanting. This is the page that we're copying right now. They're actually pushing this really hard, so I'm assuming that it's succeeding. So we can actually see that this is the item here, and it has 1,100 orders. So if we click on that, and if it wants to load, it will actually explain to us all the information about it, the order information and stuff like that. Let's see if it wants to load in here. Doesn't seem like it wants to load, but once it loads, we will check it back on that. But as you can see, they have this nice spin wheel here, but they also have the add cart button, all the colors. It's a really basic design. Doesn't really have any scarcity, but it can use some scarcity to make better sales. So what we're going to do is we're going to open up Smockco, and we're actually going to click on the online store now, and I'm actually going to go ahead and push these to the shop. So to do that, I just click on this blue button here. Well, let's try it again. It looks like we need to log into Oberlo. Let me try this. Oberlo. Now let me try it. There we go. Open import list. So here are a couple other products that I want to put on here, but it's currently importing these. So what we basically want to do is copy it. So OS, we want to change it to iOS. I'm pretty sure that's a screw up on their part. So iOS Bluetooth headphones, wireless Bluetooth. You want them to know how to connect it. So we're going to put that under the deal section. For the description here, what I like to do is I like to copy theirs just to get the idea. We're not going to actually fully copy it, but just to get the idea, because you know theirs is working out. Command C, Command V. And then as you can see, we can read through this now. So hurry up before it's gone, limited time remaining, fast delivery within 14 to 21 days. Okay, so we want to center that. These wireless Bluetooth earbuds, let's see, these wireless Bluetooth earbuds will change the way you use your headphones forever. These iOS wireless headphones work like magic and automatically connect to your iPhone, Apple Watch, iPad, or Mac as soon as you remove them from your charging case. That's dope. Experience automatic playback when your headphones are put in while stopped and they aren't being used, so you never miss a beat. So it explains a bit about it, and that's it basically there. What I like to do is I like to go over the variants now, and I'm going to see what their price is, and we can probably beat it. So they're trying to sell it for $29.99, originally $9.99 or $99.99. And as you can see, they're getting it for probably, if this is the one that they're getting it for about $10 a piece. So that's a pretty decent price, but we can play with it. We can probably try to lower it a little and compete with them. So we're gonna go change all prices, set new $24.99. Actually, we're gonna change it to $27.99 just to have a bit of a better deal. So $27.99, apply. We're gonna set the original one at $99.99 as well, just because we don't want other people finding that store and then finding ours and being like, well, they're probably not the same headphones now. We want to have the better deal. People will rather save $2. So we're gonna push that to shop now, and it's gonna automatically be in our store. And as you can see, we're gonna go, I need to add it to navigation still, but this is going to be it. So this is what it looks like. And you know it doesn't really look too good. You have this ad here, but as easy as just right-clicking, going to the top, picking which photos you want, right-clicking, copy image address, and I know this is really, you shouldn't be doing this. I don't know if it's legal. If you guys want to tell me down below, you can go into here. I'm assuming it is because I'm only taking them from people who are dropshipping as well, so you know that that's not really their photos. And what I normally do is I delete the first picture because it's so bad. Add image from URL, add image. These pictures are still pretty good, so I'm not going to leave this one, but that's what it could look like potentially. So we're going to delete that now. And that looks pretty good now. So we're going to view it on the store again. So refresh the page. Here's the pictures. Add to cart. It's not bad. It looks really, really good. So what now I like to do is I'm going to target this through Snapchat, because I'm going to try to compete with the swipe up deals guy. And as you can see, he's probably selling all of these items through Snapchat. So something cool is we can actually, if we can look at his, if we can look up products, we can get to any of these deals. So we're gonna go here. We're gonna type in all, and then once you've typed in all, here's a little trick that you guys can see what's selling best on their site. We can just do that just so you know what kind of cross-selling and stuff like that, because this is how you kind of sneak it, so you know that this is what they're selling hard right now. It's their best selling product. But you know that this item is probably working well on Snapchat too, as well as all of these. So you can kind of just test all of these products and play with it and see what it works, see why theirs is so successful and stuff like that. So I know this was a shorter video, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. This was just a quick video on how to make sure your items are gonna, in your product descriptions, look great. So this is the first part of the series, guys. $0 to $1,000 challenge. We were basically putting our first product up. Next, we're gonna show you guys Snapchat and how to install a Snapchat pixel. So if you guys want your chance at winning a free store, I give one away every single video. All you have to do is drop a like on this video, drop a subscribe with no post notifications turned on. Let me know what your store is making right now, how much you guys have spent on ads, and what your link is. As well as if you guys are interested in trying Shopify, I have a 14-day free trial in my description of this video, so go check that out. Anyways, guys, it's been Cam. I hope you're doing a great day and have a great evening. I will see you guys in tomorrow's video, so subscribe for that. Nothing but free information for you guys. It is quality information. I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video, but until then, peace out.